Hi, hello, welcome to HashLearn. I am Vandana, your math faculty. Good evening, Yash Pratap and Mansi. Welcome to the differential equation classes. We completed all the differential equation methods. Today we are discussing the JEE level problems. So before starting to the class, let us discuss the CPP question. Here goes your question. The solution of 1 plus e power x by y dx plus e power x by y 1 minus x by y into dy is equal to 0. This is a given question. Usually by seeing x by y, what we will do, x by y is equal to v. Very important problem for our boards also. So then what we will take, x is equal to yv. Is Anshul, Radhika, Vinayak, good evening. We usually do this with homogeneous differential equation, but now we knew this exact differential equation also. For exact differential equation, what we have to do? So is it in mdx plus ndy form? Yes. This is in the form of mdx plus ndy. The coefficient of dx is m. The coefficient of dy is n. Take that, m and n. So what is your first step? Find out dou m by dou y. With respect to y, 1 becomes 0. Now e power x by y. E power x differentiation is e power x, but with respect to y I am differentiating. See here. Radhika, I told you many times, after this differential equation classes, before starting the vector class, that means on Thursday, I will give you the weightage. Okay? Yes, after completion of this chapter, still two more classes are there, na? This class and next class. Afterwards, I will give you the weightage. Don't worry, I will give you. So, what I was telling? Yes. Dou by dou y of e power x by y. E power x differentiation is e power x only. Now the differentiation will go for this, that is dou by dou y of x by y. So with respect to y I am differentiating, so x is constant. So I kept x as it is. 1 by y differentiation is minus 1 by y square. Okay, so if you multiply, we will get this. Now move to dou n by dou x. Multiply here, this will multiply. If you multiply, we will get e power x by y minus x by y into e power x by y. Now differentiate. After differentiate with respect to x, e power x by y. 1 by y is constant because I am differentiating with respect to x. 1 by y is constant. If I differentiate this numerator x, I will get 1. So into 1. Here I will get. Now here with respect to x, here also x terms are there, here also x terms are there. It is u into v method. What is u into v method? First, you keep e power x by y as it is and differentiate x by y. So x by y differentiation is 1 by y. This is also constant. If you differentiate this x, I will get 1 into 1. Now you keep x by y as it is, differentiate e power x by y. That is this. Now this term and this term will get cancelled. I will get minus x by y square e power x by y. Now what happened? Dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So this is the meaning of exact differential equation. So what is the general solution? The general solution is integral m dx treating y as constant, integral n dy which are free from x. Like that I have to choose the terms. So let me write first the terms. Now see, the dx will go for the first term, the dx will go for the second term. 1 dx integral e power x dy. Now observe children. Here, are you finding any term which is free from x? If you multiply, here also x term is there. If you multiply here, here also x term is there. There is no term which is free from x, so it becomes 0. Isn't it? Now integral 1 dx is x, e power x by y. In the differentiation we will get that differentiation into. So d by dx of e power x by y means how we will do? E power x differentiation is e power x. Now the differentiation will go for x by y. That time what will happen? E power x by y with respect to x. So 1 by y is constant into 1 I will get. But in the integration I told you, whatever we are writing into, that you have to write it as a denominator. Isn't it? Now it becomes, if it goes to the numerator, x plus y into e power x by y is equal to c. This is your general solution. I hope you understood. Very important for your boards, but it is in the homogeneous differential equation in your NCERT book. Isn't it? Yes. Hello Devi Priya. Why you are late today? Let us start the class. Today we are discussing the JEE level problems. Okay. What is differential equation which involves the differential equation like d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 0, which involves this is called differential equation. In the first class what we learnt what is degree, what is order. What is order, children? The highest derivative. Yes, I am good, Devi Priya. Hello, Shivarajan. Clear it is? Good. Order. The highest derivative. Is called order, and highest derivative power is called degree, but it should be a polynomial. What is polynomial? Yes, which is having the non-negative powers. That is called polynomial. In the first class we learned what is order and degree. In the second class we learned the eliminating the arbitrary constant. Suppose if you have a e power x. Yes, Radhika, you are correct. B e power x. Here how many arbitrary constants are there? 2 arbitrary constants are there. So we have to differentiate 2 times. This is called eliminating the arbitrary constant. In the third class we learned forming the differential equation. The family of circles, family of parabolas, there also see we will have indirectly we will have one arbitrary constant. Here a is a arbitrary constant. So I have to differentiate this one time and form a differential equation. This we learned. Next thing what we learned, how to solve first order and first degree differential equation. That is, which starts with like dy by dx. For this, order also 1 and degree also 1. How many methods are there to solve? We have 4 methods. One is variable separable. Means what? Where we can separate the x term separately. Okay, not an issue. Hello Kushi. Hello Bhanu Pratap. Okay. So where we can separate the x terms and y terms like dx, y dx is equal to x dy, something like this. Here I can bring all the x terms one side, all the y terms other side. This is called variable separable method, where I can separate it. Second method is homogeneous differential equation. That is, substitute x is equal to lambda x, y is equal to lambda y. If you can able to take out the lambda outside, then that is called homogeneous differential equation of order. Whatever the power we are getting for the lambda, that will be the degree of that homogeneous differential equation. Okay. So what is the substitution? Y is equal to Vx, or x is equal to Vy. There are two methods. Next one is linear differential equation. If you have only one y, it must be in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. If you have only one x, it must be in the form of dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Here also two methods are there. The last one, exact differential equation. What is exact differential equation? It must be in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Then dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Then the given differential equation is called exact differential equation. Then we can write the general solution for that. We know, right? Yes. Let us start doing some questions. Yes. This is 2014 question. Let the population of rabbits surviving at time t be governed by the differential equation. We gave the equation in the form of differential equation. What they have to find out? They have to find out p of t. That is, here we have dp of t by dt. Now that differentiation I don't want. Kavya, what you are asking, I am not understanding. Binomial differentiation means what? Please make your doubt clear, then I can clarify your doubt. So I don't want this differentiation, so I have to integrate. So first write what is the given question. D of pt by dt is equal to, so take out the LCM, p of t minus 400 divided by 2. Bring it to one side. Is there any possibility to bring all the variables one side? What and all variables are there? The first variable is p of t, the second variable is t. Yes, I can bring the p of t one side and t one side, that is d of pt by p of t minus 400. I brought this side. Now cross multiply dt by 2. Now it is variable separable method. I separated the variables. Now integrate. If you integrate, see p of t differentiation is what? D of p of t. 400 differentiation is what? 0. So it is in the form of integral f dash of x divided by f of x is equal dx is equal to log f of x. Isn't it? So integrate, it becomes log of p of t minus 400 is equal to, it becomes what, children? T by 2. After your integration, you have to add plus c to it. Okay, so I want actually p of t. So I would like to make my p of t polynomial free. So please send this log is equal to this side. It becomes p of t minus 400 is equal to e power t by 2 plus c. Clear, children? Yes. Now p of t minus 400 is equal to e power t by 2 plus c. What is the clue given by them? They gave that p of 0 is equal to 100, means what? Actually given polynomial is in the form of p of t. That means what I have to do? I have to substitute in place of t, I have to write 0 over there. So please put t is equal to 0, put yes, that's what I told you, Shivarajan. Please take out the LCM. This is like p of t by 2 minus 200. I cannot bring one side, no. So what I did? I found the LCM over there. So that is p of t, 2 into 200 becomes 400 divided by 2. Now I can bring that numerator down to it. Otherwise, I cannot separate the term because that minus 200, that tail was there, I cannot separate it. So I found the LCM. I hope you understood. Next. So what I have to do? I have to substitute t is equal to 0. Got it? LCM. Okay then, fine, not an issue. So then only class will be clear, interesting. Otherwise, I was teaching. You will also watching, right? Yes, substitute over here. P of 0 minus 400 is equal to e power 0 by 2 plus c, isn't it? So it becomes, but they gave p of 0 value. What is p of 0 value? The p of 0 value is 100 minus 400 is equal to e power c. Minus 300 is equal to e power c. So I got the constant value. So that means what? It is a particular solution. So substitute in the general solution which is having c value. So this can be written as p of t minus 400 is equal to e power t by 2. Whenever the bases are equal, I can add the powers, right? So whenever it is adding, I can split that, isn't it? So I know the value of e power c is what, children? Minus 300 is the value of this into e power t by 2. Now I am going to send this minus 2 is equal to that side plus 400. Why I did that? Because they told us to find out only p of t, polynomial in t. I would like to find out this equation. So which answer is correct? You just go back and see which answer, no options, right? Yes, I have to find out only p of t value. Clear? Yes. Let us do the next one. Yes, somebody gave the answer 400 minus 300 e power t by 2. Yes, very good, Radhika. Next problem is 2015 problem. This is log x and x is greater than or equal to 1. Here, typing error. Okay. Y of x be the solution of differential equation. Clearly gave, so I understood it belongs to differential equation. So on solution they asked. Solution means I have to solve. To solve, how many methods I am having? I am having only 4 methods. Either it is variable separable, homogeneous, linear and exact. So let us find out this given question belongs to which method. Given x log x of dy by dx plus y is equal to 2x log x. See, everywhere while I am writing, I understood here only one x is there. Sorry, only one y is there. Only one y means it is a linear differential, linear, only one y. Linear differential equation. Okay, so it must be in the form of only one y means it must be in the form of dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, yes, next. For that, I would like to bring the given question in this format. So what I have to do? I have to divide with, it must be only dy by dx. I don't want any coefficient. So what I have to do? I have to divide with x log x. So it becomes what? If I divide with that, dy by dx plus 1 by x log x into y is equal to 2x log x divided by x log x. I hope this is clear to you. Now x log x will get cancelled. Now this is in the form of this, right? So here the p value is 1 by x log x. Here the q value is 2. In the linear differential equation, first what you have to find out? You have to find out the integrating factor. What is your integrating factor? Is e power integral p dx or p dy? P is in terms of what? It is in terms of x. So, P dx it is. E power integral 1 by x log x. Many times I discuss this kind of integration. So, this can be written as very important 1 by x divided by, this is important for your boards also, log x dx. Why log x? X very good, but you missed one thing. Next time onwards I will give you the option, then you can easily pick. So, it is log x derivative is 1 by x. So, this can be written as e power log of log x, isn't it? So, e and log will get cancelled. So, I will get only log x. What is the general solution? Yes, only one term is what? Y. Y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor plus c. Now, y into log x is equal to integral q. Q is 2 into log x plus c. Yes, many people are giving the answer 2 into log x differentiation. So, integration I told you, if you do not know, use the by parts. Whenever we do not have the formula, we usually make this as log x into 1 and use the by parts method, then you will get the answer. Okay. Now, the integration is x log x minus x plus c, but one information, the hidden information they gave. So, that is the reason why they are asking you to find out y of e. Here the typing error, I am sorry, they are telling you to find out y of e, children. It is okay, not writing plus c is not a issue, Kushi. So, children, this is the question. Now, you tell me what is the answer, y of e, that means a particular solution I am asking. Now, I will see where they gave the values for x and y. If they are giving x and y, then I can find out the values for c. So, the hidden information is this, x is greater than or equal to 1, equal to 1 also. So, that means put x is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 over here, log 1 is 0. If I put 1, log 1 is 0. Y into 0, 0 I will get is equal to 2 into 1 into log 1, here also 0, minus 1. See, look at here, 0 this side is equal to 2 into log 1 is 0 minus 1 plus c. So, c value is what? The c value is 0 is equal to minus 2 plus c. So, c value is 2. Now, write in the given equation. What I will get, that is y log x is equal to 2 into x log x minus x plus 2. Now, I would like to find out the y of e. Y of e means what? What I have to do? Substitute the values. Wherever x is there, I have to write e. What I have to find out, children? Y of e. That means I have to substitute the x value as e. Isn't it? Y means f of x. So, that means x value is e. Put x value as e. Here, y into log e is 1. So, y is equal to 2 into e into log e is 1 minus e. See here, log e means 1, e minus e is 0 plus 2. So, what is the value of y of e? So, y of e is 2. Clear, children? Any doubts? Yes. Yes, many people gave the answer. Good. Now, it's a time to contest question. I gave the simple question, but see here, how to solve this. I add the general solution. Do the cross multiplication. Y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Now, I will check whether I can solve with the variable separable. Then only I will think for the other methods. Yes, I can easily separate the variables. Now we integrate. It becomes log x is equal to log y plus log c. Okay, now log, you just cancel log of y into c. Children, very important thing I would like to discuss. Log will get cancelled. So x is equal to yc. That answer is there? No, not there. So that means they did not added log c to this side. So they added this side. If I am adding this side, what will happen? Log c plus log x is equal to log y. Now take out cx is equal to y and cancel the log, y is equal to cx. So sometimes this also can happen. So which option is correct? Option C is correct. And now the winner is Kunal Kishore. Give him a big round of applause. Congratulations Kunal Kishore. Soon after this class you will get one autumn session free. Yes children, get ready for today's contest question. Very simple question I gave. Please get ready. Here goes your question. Yes, yaar. Time up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to the class. Yes, many people gave the answer. Very good. I'll announce the winner in the coming class. Yes. If a curve y is equal to f of x, very interesting question. Please concentrate. Y is equal to f of x passes through the point 1 comma minus 1 and satisfies the differential equation y is equal to this. So I have to find out the curve equation, isn't it? That means I have to solve this differential equation. To solve the differential equation, I have 4 methods, isn't it? So first let me write y into 1 plus xy dx is equal to x dy. Do I can able to separate the terms? No, because of this xy 100% I cannot separate the x term separately, y term separately. Okay. Next, think for homogeneous. Second method is that only, right? Homogeneous, if you multiply y plus xy square, here 2, here 1, total 3, here only 1. So it is not homogeneous. Next, the third one, linear, only one y or one x. How many y are there? Just a minute children. Here 1, 2 y are there. Here 1, 2 x are there. So not linear also. Is it? It's okay. Good. No. She's helping me a lot, Devi Priya. Isn't it? Okay. Concentrate. It is not linear also. Next, the last one. We have only one method is left out. That is exact differential equation. So y into 1 plus xy dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Maybe it is an exact differential equation. Let me check. Dou m by dou y with respect to y, that is 1 plus x is constant. Now n value is minus x, dou n by dou x is minus 1. Oh my god. So which method we have to apply to evaluate this? I told you one thing, if it is not applying variable separable or homogeneous or linear or exact, we have to go for the grouping method. I told you, I gave the list also. So let us do the grouping method. The given one is what? Y into 1 plus xy into dx is equal to x dy multiply y into dx plus xy square into dx is equal to x dy. Bring it to one side, y dx minus x dy. I am going to group these two terms plus x y square dx is equal to 0. Very interesting thing. Here y dx minus x dy. I told you already, differentiation of u by v is what? V into differentiation of u minus u into differentiation of v by v square. The same thing has to come down. So by seeing this, I understood it is differentiation of y by x, but in the denominator I want y square. So what I have to do? I have to divide with y square. Divide with y square. What will happen? Y dx minus x dy by y square. If I am dividing here, I will get y square will get cancelled. I will get x dx. Isn't it? Now, this can be written as differentiation of x by y plus x dx is equal to 0. Now, you integrate. If you integrate, what you will get? You will get x by y plus x square by 2 is equal to c. Very good. Now, yeah, I got, but clearly they are telling it is passing through the point 1 comma minus 1. So, point means usually they will give in the form of x comma y. Here they are telling that it is passing through 1 comma minus 1. That is, x value is 1, y value is minus 1. You just substitute these values over there, what I will get? 1 divided by minus 1, 1 square is 1 by 2 is c. Minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is c. So, minus 1 is, so what I will get? Minus 1 by 2 is the c value. Substitute in the given general solution. If I substitute, what I will get? X by y plus x square by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, do I have to find out this? No. Actually, I have to find out f of minus 1 by 2, f of x. So, clearly I can say that I have to find out the f of x value. That means what? Yes, f of x is nothing but I have to find out the y value. Yes, Radhika, you are correct. So, I have to find out the y value, then only I can substitute in place of x minus 1 by 2. So, please find out the y value. Yes, Shivarajan, you are correct. Now, write the y value. So, let me write the equation over here. X by y plus x square by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So, take out that side, x by y is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus x square by 2. So, if I am taking the LCM, 2, take out minus common, 1 plus x square is x by y. Actually, what I want the y value. So, take this y this side, you bring this side. So, what will happen? X divided by minus of 1 plus x square divided by 2 is equal to y. It goes to the numerator. Minus 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to y. Y is nothing but f of x. Actually, I would like to find out f of minus 1 by 2. That means in place of x, I have to write minus 1 by 2. So, minus 2 into minus 1 by 2 divided by 1 plus minus 1 by 2 whole square. Minus minus 2 will get cancelled, 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 5 by 4, that is equal to 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5 or plus 4 by 5? Children, please check what value you got. I got plus 4 by 5. Where you miss the minus or I miss the minus? I got plus 4 by 5. Please check. 4 by 5 only. Okay then. Next. This is also very interesting question, but it is IEEE 2012 question. So, interesting question, no? So I took. The population of P of t at time t of a certain mouse species satisfies the differential equation. I told you many times, while doing variable separable, I did 2 classes. In one class completely I took these kind of theoretical problems only, because they last like this only. Okay, differential equation, this is your differential equation. They gave P of 0, P of t, here they gave P of 0. That means what, children? They gave the value of t is equal to 0. Okay, then the time at which the population becomes, is, then the time at which the population becomes 0. So, typing error, becomes 0 is. So, population has to become 0. It is mouse. Okay. So, first write. Given equation. Given equation is, yes, it's 4 by 5. Okay then. Given equation is dp of t. Many times they gave the same kind of problem. 0.5. So, whenever we have that point, what we will do? 1 by 2 P of t, as it is what we did earlier, minus 450. I told you, right, to make it as variable separable, please find the LCM. If you are finding the LCM, it becomes P of t minus 900 by 2 dP of t by dt. Now, separate the variables. If you are separating the variables, dP of t divided by P of t minus 900 dt by 2. Yes, I can separate the variables, so I can immediately integrate. If I am integrating, see, P of t differentiation is dP of t, 900 differentiation is 0. So, I can write this as log of P of t minus 900 is equal to t by 2, as it is before. Here also I want P of t value. So, P of t, there we want P of t, here I want the time when the population becomes 0. Okay, fine. P of t minus 900, if it goes log is equal to, so after the completion of the integration I have to write plus c. So, e power t by 2 plus c. I told you already, given what they gave P of 0 is equal to 850. That means they gave t value, put t value 0. Put t value as 0, what we will get? P of 0 minus 900 is equal to e power 0 by 2 plus c, that is e power c. P of 0 is 850 minus 900. So, e power c value is minus 50. Write it in a particular solution, here or here, wherever you want, you can just write. So, if I am writing over here, c value, what I will get? P of t minus 900 is equal to, I told you already, e power c how to write, minus 50 e power t by 2. Okay, now children, please observe. I would like to find out when the population becomes 0. So, P of t completely becomes 0. At that time, I want the t value. So, population becomes 0 means this value is becoming 0. 0 minus 900 is equal to minus 50 e power t by 2. At that time, I would like to find out the t value. So, minus 900 is equal to minus 50 e power t by 2. 0, 0, sorry, minus minus 0, 0, 5 1 zar, 5 8 zar. If e comes is equal to this side, log 18 is equal to t by 2. I want the time, that is t is equal to 2 log 18. So, which option is correct? I would like to find out the t value. So, t value is 2 log 18. Clear, children? Yes. So, the next question, very interesting question. This is also 2003 question. Okay. Clearly, I can make out only one y is there. Here it is in the form of dy by dt. So, I will check whether only one t is there or one y is there. Only one y. So, it is linear differential equation. So, dy by dt minus t by 1 plus t y is equal to 1 by 1 plus t. Yes, children. What? Log 324. Devi Priya, please check, children. Please check. It is in the form of linear differential equation. So, please find out the integrating factor. What is integrating factor? E power minus of t by 1 plus t. So, what is the technique to integrate this? Add plus 1, subtract 1 with respect to t only, because those terms is in terms of t, to have to integrate with respect to t only. E power minus, so the denominator will divide the first term, the denominator will divide the second term. So, what I will get? Integral t plus 1 by t plus 1 minus 1 by t plus 1 into dt. Cancel, right? E power minus t, this becomes, otherwise let me write it here itself, minus into minus plus, it becomes what? T differentiation is 1, 1 differentiation is 0, so it becomes log of t plus 1, isn't it? So, e power minus t, split now, e power log of t plus 1, log and e will get cancelled. My integrating factor is t plus 1 into e power minus t. Clear, children? Now, write the general solution. How to write the general solution? Y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor plus c. So, y into, what is your integrating factor? Yes, t plus 1 into e power minus t. Integral q, what is your q value? 1 by 1 plus t into e power minus t into 1 plus t plus c. This will get cancelled. What is this? Yes, e power minus t by minus 1 plus c. Very easy to integrate. Now, actually, children, see what is the given term. Go back and see what they gave. Y of 0 is equal to minus 1. I told you y of 0 means what? Y means f of x. So, x value is 0, y value is minus 1. They only gave. So, what you have to substitute? X value is 0, y value, sorry, here t, right, in terms of t. So, here it must be t is equal to 0. T value is 0, y value is minus 1. Just please substitute these values. What you will get? Minus 1 into 0 plus 1 e power minus 0 is equal to e power minus 0 by minus 1 plus c. Now, just multiply minus 1. Anything e power 0? Yes, 1. So, here also 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. Minus 1 if it comes is equal to this side plus 1. So, c value is 0. Substitute in the given general solution. So, what I will get over here? Y of t plus 1 e power minus t. Somebody gave the answer? Radhika, right? Yes, let me check, children. I don't know which problem we are doing. Yes, correct. Correct, Radhika. Y into t plus 1 e power minus t. What I was doing, yes, e power minus t, c value 0. If you write or not writing also not an issue. E power t will get cancelled. Y is equal to minus 1 by t plus 1, because actually what I have to find out, go back and see, I have to find out y of 1, that is f of x I have to find out and put t value as 1. If I put t value as 1, y of 1 is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Clear, children? Yes. Actually, I planned one more question, very simple. You can do, this is not a differential equation, it is just the differentiation. I thought of doing this problem, not an issue. Just secant. What is secant x differentiation? Dy by dx. Secant x into tan x. Chain rule. And then tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. Put x value is 1, you will get the answer. Next. Here what you have? Only 1y, linear differential equation, very simple question, you can do this. Here is your question. Euler rule, I already told you children how to integrate this. I will give you the clue, you just do integral g of x, h of x, f of x, d by dx of dx is, first you have to substitute the upper limit, f of h of x, differentiation of upper limit, and then minus, substitute the lower limit and differentiate the lower limit. If you do that, cos x into cos x, you will get 1 by 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. If it goes to the numerator, you will get f of theta is equal to cosecant square x, and you differentiate f dash of theta is 2 cos square cosecant, 2 cosecant theta for the power. Cosecant theta differentiation is minus cosecant theta into cot theta. Now you multiply these two, cosecant square, no, cosecant square can be written as f of theta minus 2 f of theta into cot theta is d f of theta by d theta. If you are bringing is equal to this side, it gives you the differential equation. Yes, correct. Yes, today we learnt some JEE level problems. Tomorrow also we are doing the JEE level problems only. Thanks for joining with us. In the CPP, many different questions I discussed. Children, don't forget to solve those questions, okay, because all the questions are previous year questions only. Please practice, okay. Children, don't forget to share with your friends. Passport users, right away you can start solving the questions. All the best to you.